Budget egenderete korosiwa emergency nigo mubunge bwe ensemo ya Kitutu Chache North omosike Chafet Nyakundi ayenekeire abakenya buna nigo barache kubwatuka chibesa chisainego cha ase chinsemo anene chinsemo chichisemi oboremi amone chi county anene naboigo ase ensemo ye chistima ase bono aborire abagavana kurwa chi county kwane kingango tumikabare chibesa echo ase budget yo eremotwe gochose gochigosomwa ase gekakiremotwe nigo bono barachi kubwatuka chibesa gochase chi county echo chirabe gishiringi chi bilioni chimisato emerongo kyanda na isano echo chirachi gokonya chi county ase okwegendereria amagenderero
umwaka oyo twabekire chibesa chinyinge sana chigenda soboremi mono asa mangana yo boyo because ntoroche obwoyo bombwa konya last time sana ega keirigo lirio liechibando omutoliro kolu siringi 243 bakabonega omutoliro le 80 mbake miagabo so ayina aramangana intubuna budget committee tualigireri egento kende tualigireri okobeka chibesa ngochiesi county government buna rero I was nindese part ye team eri okora mediation between the Senate na National Assembly you abatubata abantu kianda koruwe National Assembly na abantu kianda koruwe Senate because a Senate on the division of revenue bill ebata ete wa 415 billion lakini intubu na National Assembly tuabaire 395 billion intungo support story devolution egentekia ya konyire kulika abantu baito devolution ya konyire korosi chipara ya konyire che ECD classes kulika abana abalimu ba ECD ya konyire binte binge nima ete some parts county nchiro chibwate obokongu maybe because of leadership mechando kidogo gaiga but intubuna National Assembly we want to support the Senate and we want to support devolution 100% because devolution ye ochaka okuwa chagete chi county through whether the 2010 constitution ya konyire sana so we support devolution lakini naende wekatote wanieke maine bunense ya Kenya ngaitole bone ntonyare koena na chibese 415 billion it is impossible because we are living in a very difficult economic times we katomenya within our means.